B-Tech, and today we're going to be doing a drop test of some of our Mybat cases. We had planned to do it from the top of the roof, but had some technical difficulties with the computer, so we might do the extreme drop test later. But today, we're going to be dropping them from about 12 feet. These are iPhone 7s with 3 different cases. I'll go over the SKUs that we're using here shortly, but this iPhone 7 is powered out right now from about 12 feet, just flat on its back. Christina in the E-Tech phone costume. Just gonna show the phone. Can't see him from here, so I'm assuming we're still good. So that was the first one. I believe that one is the U series. So I have 3 different cases that I'm showing. I'll go over right now, I guess. So I have the first one, which is SKU 1307453. If you sign in today, it's $689 plus an additional 10% off all Mybat products. So check out the Mybat section of our website for that discount. It's at least for today. It might be through the weekend, so check through today. The second SKU is 7469. It's $589 signed in, and the last SKU is 7451. It's $689 signed in. So they're all about the same price. The trick is you have to have an account and signed in with us. If you don't, the price you see on the site is going to be around $20, $25, which is the manufacturer price. So signing in gives you that discount. Next one I'm going to try is the clear version of that. And the cool thing about these cases is the cases that are compatible with the iPhone 7 and 8. It's iPhone 7, 8, SE 2020, 2022, 6S, and 6. So it's roughly 6 different models that are compatible with the same type of case. So take the clear one, same thing, drop from about 12 feet. Mybat is, it's a really good price, but you also get a really good case. So that's why we're showing the durability of it. I actually dropped all 3 of these phones off the roof before shooting this right now, just to make sure everything was good. Not doubting the cases, but just to prove that they are solid cases. So if you're looking for an option that's not the name brand like others you see out there that retail for $50, $60, these are great alternatives to sell at your repair shop, because as I said, you're buying them for sub $10. You can flip them for $20. They're easy add-ons for any repair, because as you see, customer walks out of your shop getting their screen replaced, they drop it, say they're going up the stairs or something, phone's going to be good to go. And again, we have a wide variety of the Mybat selection right now. We have from the iPhone 6, iPhone 7, 8, 9, 8 series, 10 series, 11 series, 12, 13 series. Christina has a couple of those boxes just to show you. Those are the actual 3 cases that I tested today. But like I said, all of our Mybat category is on a 10% off discount today. If there's any Mybat accessories or cases that you want to carry, or that you want to buy that we don't currently carry, let us know in the comments or send us an email. We'd love to expand the assortment for what you guys need. But that's all we had for today's video. I hope everyone liked it. Again, we'll try to do a more exciting one next time off the roof or something else. Let us know what you guys want to see. But we hope everyone enjoyed and everyone has a great weekend. We'll see everyone next Friday. Tech Bob out.